how to remove the hazard switch on a Volkswagen Golf. So on the sides, if there's a blanking plate, just use a small screwdriver, just gently prise it out. That's it. Try not to prise the buttons out because they're a bit delicate. Just get your finger behind and just kind of wiggle it free, as so. That's it. Always make sure the electrics come out as well, because they're hard to get if they fall behind. Just wiggle it free. Just gently prise the blanking plate out. That's it. These buttons are a bit delicate, so if you can, just get your hand behind. Just gotta push it forward and just wiggle it free. You don't want to really prise it if we can avoid. There you go. It's out. Make sure you get the electrics in the back as well out for reconnection purposes. Just wiggle it free, grab by the base here, wiggle it free, and it's out. You can do this with the ESP and defroster switch still attached, but it may be easier if you remove them. You can't prise out the hazard switch, so just get your fingers in on either side and pull it forward. Like that. At the end, just pull it away. And that's it, released.